Hi, this is Kevin, and I'm a strategist at Cubicle Fugitive. In this video, I'm going to be talking about industries or sectors, specifically how to create an industry or sector. So let's take a look at our demo site here, and you see in our industry section, I have 4 test sectors, and today we're going to create a new one. So to do this, we'll go into the Sitefinity back end, and from the dashboard, we'll want to go to Content, and then sectors or industries. And this will bring up a list of our current sectors. To create a new sector, we'll click the green Create a Sector button, and this will bring up the sector input fields. So let's give this new sector a title. We'll just call it Test Sector 5. And then next would be the main content, which would be the description of this sector. For the sake of this demo, I'm just going to paste in some lorem ipsum placeholder text. and then we have the option to add a summary, which if we don't, Sitefinity will default to the first couple hundred characters of the main content. We also have the ability to make this a featured item, which would force it to the front of our list of sectors, which we'll leave off at this time. And then, like all other content on Sitefinity, we can relate this sector to other content. So we could add a few key contacts for this industry or sector. We can add as many as we like. And if we need to remove somebody, we can hover over them until we get the X, and then just click that. We'll also add some related expertise or services. And we can even relate another sector to this new sector. We then have the ability to pick a main image for this sector, which would display as like the banner image. So I'm just going to pick one of my water images from my test library. You could upload a new banner image if you wanted to. You can also add some documents to a sector to have available for download, which I'm going to skip at this time. We also have full control over SEO titles, descriptions, and keywords, but we get into that in some other videos, so we can skip at the moment. This next part, top level sectors and industries, is important to get this sector to show up on our menu, our navigation. And the top level sort order would just be what order to place it in that list. And I'm going to type 50, but that's just because I know my other 4 sectors are 10, 20, 30, 40, so I want this one to display after them, so I put in a higher number, 50. Child sectors we could add if they're already created. I don't recommend creating a subsector while you're creating a new sector. I would create them both individually and then add one as a subsector later to the parent. So we're pretty much done. I'm going to publish this and make it live, and then we'll refresh the front end so you can see our new sector. So back to the front end, let's just refresh this page. There you see the new test sector 5 is now in the list. And if I show you the drop-down menu, it's also there. And you can see it's in the 5th place. And just to show you the sort orders, I'll go back to our list of sectors, and then you can see the smaller number appears first, the highest last. So that's how we create a new sector or industry with Sitefinity.